When most architectural and engineering companies think about moving to the cloud, the first thoughts that come up are that Autodesk and some of the more graphics-intensive programs such as this simply do not work in the cloud. In addition, because many engineering companies have multiple locations, finding solutions for this type of environment can be difficult. You also need someone who understands your programs. We have many clients utilizing these programs and are very familiar with all of the graphics types of applications typical to architectural and engineering programs. And as we know, there can be hundreds. You need someone who understands them, how they work, and how they can help your company accomplish your specific goals. CompleteCloud is that company. Our program is different. Your staff will be utilizing a thin client talking over the LAN to a graphics computer that is in your server closet. We use Teradici drives and Teradici video over LAN cards, which basically trick the thin client into thinking the computer is sitting right there at their desk. These are approximately $3,000 computers that have been custom built to work with high-end graphics applications. One of the issues we are solving with this setup is Autodesk products not reacting well to the software when put in the cloud. You tend to get a latency or stuttering issue, which then leads your designers to getting frustrated with the performance and the response time. The environment we have built out is one where we put all of the applications on the local Teradici devices, and the project files are stored locally on a data cache. This is now just physics. If you were to download a 500 megabyte file and open it from the cloud, it would take you about 6 hours. You really need to open the file and save it locally, which is what the data cache is there for. The data cache is then syncing behind the scenes with the central store. The goal here is to provide unlimited storage, a situation where you have true disaster recovery and backup off-site, and then create some unique capabilities for multiple sites. All of the files are backed up in a data center and then in a secondary data center, so realistically, your project files are being saved in 3 different locations. For remote working capabilities, they can utilize an RDP program on any computer or tablet or iPad, etc., to access your graphics computer as a virtual computer. For multi-site environments, this creates some unique benefits. Because these individual data caches, which are at each location, are constantly syncing with the central store, someone that is doing work at one site can be doing work with someone at another site because the data is constantly syncing and they all have access to all of the project files as they are stored in the central store. No longer are project files stored locally for each location, and to get access, you have to go into that location's network to access it. All of the files, of course, have check-in and check-out capabilities, but they are all working from the same file store. As you can see, we have really worked hard to create some unique solutions for architectural and engineering companies. Contact us today to find out how we can help you and get more information on how this program can help you meet your goals. Thanks and have a great day.